I really love trying out hair products and this time I am trying this Bermude Ultra Fix Hairspray. Unang tingin ko pa lang sa bottle niya, ang elegant and clean na agad yung packaging niya. And very safe pa ha yung packaging niya pagka-delivered. Talagang may mga bubble wraps. And also, ang ganda niyang tingnan. Also, it is a 150 ml bottle na, kaya very travel friendly at swak siya sa bag. One of the noticeable things I immediately noticed as soon as I got my hands on this is its signature scent. Girl, let's talk about it. Grabe. The moment I spray it, you can get this premium high-end salon fragrance. Based sa notes niya, they are very subtle and earthy, pero may clean floral scent yung profile niya and very fresh at medyo luxury perfume vibe yung ano niya ha, atake. Hindi siya yung masakit sa ilong at matapang. It smells like a fresh, expensive hair spa that actually lasts all day long. For a first-time user like me, I didn't really expect much, pero surprisingly, hindi siya malagkit. Multi-purpose din yung mist niya, and also napansin ko agad na it instantly tames yung mga flyaways at frizzy hair ko. Plus, perfect din siya for built-in protection if exposed ka sa init ng araw o madalas kang gumamit ng mga styling tools gaya ng straightener or curler or blower. So, how to use this? Madali lang naman. First is to shake. Make sure to shake the bottle well, then hold it a few inches away from your hair, then spray it on your damp or even your dry hair, just like what I'm doing there. Dry pa yung hair ko, hindi ako naligo dyan. And in-spray ko na siya agad. And focus more on mid-lengths hanggang sa tips. And don't worry about it because super fine ng 8 micron mist niya, kaya mabilis siyang ma-absorb sa strands natin at hindi siya mabigat sa feeling. So that's it. If you want to get this shine and experience na maging soft at mabango yung hair mo and most importantly protected sa heat, you need to try this one. I got the link down below.